Hi, my name is Kyle Harrell, and today we will be setting up Roman profiles and home folders. Well, a Roman profile is basically a shared network location where users' personalized settings are stored, so whatever changes were made when they were on at one time would be restored when they come on again another time. So first we will start by on Start, Administrative Tools, then we'll go to Active Directory, Users, and Computers. Here we will create 3 users. So we right click on Users and go to New User. We name this user Janelle Jack. Our user logon name will be Janelle. Then press Next. Password. Just type in our password. And here are different options for the password. You can make it must change every time we log on, never change, cannot change, but for this tutorial I'll put it as password never expires. Then press Next. Create 2 other users. My name is Justin. Password. Finish. One more. Alright. And I'll put those 3 students in a students group. So I'll create a new group and call that group students. That's okay. Then we'll add the 3 students. Right click on them, add to a group, and we'll add them to the students group. Right, so if you right click on the students group and press properties and see members, you will see the 3 of them are added to the group. Press OK. So we'll leave this area for a second to go to Start My Computer, and we'll go in C drive, and here we'll create 2 folders, a profiles folder and a home folder. We'll then make these 2 folders shareable. So right click on profiles folder, go to properties, then go to sharing, then go to advanced sharing. After we go to share this folder, then you click on permissions. We don't want everyone to share this folder, so we add, and we're going to add students. Okay, and we're going to add domain admins. So you give domain admins full control, and you give the students to change. Apply, OK, apply, OK, and close. We do the same for the home folder. The sharing, advanced sharing, share this folder, permissions, remove everyone, and add students, and domain admin. Give domain admin full control, students could change, apply, and OK. With that done, we will then go back to the Active Directory users and computers, and each of the students, we have to set, right click on them and go to properties, then we'll go to profile and profile path. To set the profile path, will be / and computer name, which is Kyle / profiles folder / and here we will type the user name. You can either type Janelle, or you can type %username %, and this will automatically set the username. As for the home folder, we just go back to the home folder, right click properties, sharing, and you copy the network path, and here we press on connect, and connect to paste / and again you could type the username, or you could type %username % for it to automatically set the username. Here you set the drive letter. I'll leave it as the default as Z. Press apply. OK. And now with the path, since the path of the profiles folder and the home folder are set, if you go back into the home folder, you will see that different users folders have been created automatically, but in the profile folders there is nothing at the moment. So now to test and see if the profiles are roaming, I will log in on one of the users on my Windows XP VM. So you type Janelle, password, and then we'll change the logon to the KKPH domain, and press OK. And now when we logged on, this profile should be roaming, so that any changes made to this profile should remain if I'm logged on to another computer or VM. Now to check and see if the profile is really roaming, you go to Start, right click on my computer, go to Properties, Advanced, and under User Profiles, you click Settings, and here you can see that the type is roaming and the status is roaming. So this profile is roaming. press OK. And if you have to create a new folder, name it testing folder. This folder, and we log off this machine. And we log on to another Windows XP VM with the same user. We should see the same testing folder on the desktop, as you can see. So any changes made from one machine to another will remain once the user has logged on again. Together with that, if you go back on the server and we click start and we go my computer and we go back on the C drive, in the profiles folder, the general user folder will be created automatically as the user logged on for the first time on a machine. As for the home folder now, the home folders are used to back up students' files and manage their accounts by collecting their data from a centralized location. This makes backing up and recovery of data easier in case a student's machine crashes. So, with the home folder created, on the client machine, if you go in my computer, so here now you can see the home folder that is stored on the server, and anything that the student puts in here will be backed up on the server. So if I just put a text document and name it backup, if you go on the server and go to my computer, C drive, home folder, general, you will see the backup of this file on the server. So that is how you set up roaming profiles and home folders on a server. Thanks for watching.